So Todd, we're doing a window and soffit fascia job here today, and
Right.
when I came around the corner here, I noticed right away that we cut a large slot in this soffit. So I wanted to talk about that because this is really important, isn't it?
Yeah, it's extremely important. So the customer just a couple years ago actually put new shingles on their roof.
Yeah.
And when they did that, they did what's popular today, which is a continuously vented ridge system to allow the heat from the attic to try to get out. But the problem is, as you can see from the square holes that were previously in the soffit, they were spaced at only 12 to 15 feet.
Right.
And that's really not enough, is it, Todd?
No, because when your warranty on your shingles requires a certain amount of ventilation to
Right.
come in from the soffit and exhaust out the top.
Right.
And if it's not enough on the bottom, what happens to the warranty?
Well, the warranty is actually null and void the day those shingles are installed, and that's something that most homeowners aren't even aware of. Getting a new roof is one thing, but to take care of it adequately and give you the lifetime that those shingles are designed for, you have to have the proper ventilation.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about the type of system that we put up here, Todd.
Okay, so what we're using here is what's called a continuous vent soffit. All right, you have a continuous vent roof usually nowadays.
Right.
That's where the exhaust happens.
Yep.
We're going to duplicate that on the soffit. So we cut a large slot so air can come in, and then the soffit actually has a continuous vent running all the way through it instead of little patches that you see.
Yeah, and we refer to those little patches as cheese graters.
Yeah.
So when you look at soffit system, it's common to see real pretty solid, soffit system, and then every once in a while you get this cheese grater look.
Right.
Well, the continuous vent soffit system that we put in has a beautiful finished look from one
All the
end
way.
to the other, and you can't see all the little tiny perforations that are hidden,
Right.
but the entire soffit system from one end to the other then is completely ventilated so it meets the needs of the warranties
Right.
for these roofing projects.
And that's the most important part because the house is a system for ventilation.
Right.
And once that's balanced properly,
Right.
your warranties stay intact. So that's a tip that you want to make sure that you think about when you're doing a roof or you're doing your soffit. Make sure that the ventilation gets corrected at the right time.
Yeah, so whether or not you're actually thinking about a door project, a window project, or siding or roofing, have WeatherTight take a look at your soffit system as well for you to make sure that it's breathing properly so we can get that whole system, that house system set up for you.